XT24-1 is binocular stereo microscope with pillar stage. This stereo microscope is usually used to observe PCB. This model uses binocular head. The head angle of viewing is 45 degrees. It is equipped with WF 10x 20 mm eyepiece. Which one of eyepiece tubes is diopter adjustable? The standard objective magnification of this microscope is 2x and 4x. Change the magnification by rotating the objective. It uses coarse focusing knob, and the stroke is 50 mm. XT24-1 stereo microscope is equipped with pillar stand without illumination. There are installed white and black plate on the base.